Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Augusta Siv and I like to make videos on all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If that's something that you're interested in, please stick around because today I'm going to show you how to do a INSTAGLAM cut crease for New Year's Eve. So I've got my base ready. I'm just going to move my hair out of the way because we don't want that in our way. And first up we have the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion in the shade Eden, which we are going to put all over our lid and up to our eyebrow. I'm going to start with the shade No Beans from the James Charles Artistry palette from Morphe in a Morphe E17 brush. And I am going to tap that into my crease and a little bit above it to create a new crease. Just keep patting that until you're happy with your shape. And do the same thing on the other side. Using a Morphe M506, I'm gonna dip into 10% off and I'm gonna blend this out. Make sure to go 50% inside of the color and then 50% on the outside. I'm gonna use a flatter-ish blending brush to go into Punch Me and I'm gonna blend that out even further. With yet another brush, this one is really fluffy. I put that into canvas and I am going to blend out even further up to my brow. And it's okay that you go over your brows a little bit because you can always fix that later. So our darker colors have been washed out a little bit by canvas, so I'm gonna go back into them. I think that's enough for now. I am going to cut my crease with my same eyeshadow base, which was the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion in Eden. I'm using a big flat brush and I'm going to press that on where I want to cut my crease. I just changed my brush. This is the Morphe M124 because I just felt the other one was a bit too big. And I am just pressing the product where I want it to go. And just keep doing this until you have the shape that you want. You want to be able to open your eyes and look forward and you can still see where you cut the crease. I'm going to shade the outside of my corner in the same style that I did up to my brow. So I'm going to start with Punch Me on a small pencil brush and I'm going to be tapping that here on the outer corner. And then I'll darken that up with all my other shades. Then I'll go into 10% off. And I'm just using the same brush for this. And finally, I am going into No Beans. I actually want to darken up the outer corner quite some bit more, so I'm gonna go into Benny, just with a flat brush, and I'm gonna add it to the outside corner. On top of my eyeshadow primer that I cut the crease with, I'm gonna use the NYX glitter base. I just really want the base to be really wet and sticky for when I put my glitter and shimmery shadows on. On top of that, I am going to use a flat brush and I'm gonna be absolutely packing the shade so good on my lid. My sound got messed up during this bit, but I'm just adding some black liner to my tight line and my waterline, and then I'm adding some liner as well. I'm not sure where my camera cut off, but I have put on a black liner, which was the Kylie Lip Kit in Dark Knight. Then I put on this white liner, which I kind of messed up, but there's nothing that I can do about it. And that is the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drug Lord. I was thinking about trying to fix it, but if I try to fix it, I'm doomed. She says when she's getting everything ready to fix it. I'm just gonna try to fix it a little bit because I really hate it. You know what? That's not too bad. I might add some more white later, but I'm gonna finish everything else. I'm gonna shade underneath my eyes now, and I'm going to use the shade code James. Blend that underneath my eye. Then I am going into No Beans on a pencil brush, and that I am gonna focus really close to my lash line. Then I'm gonna go into Canvas and I am going to blend that out. Add some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Extra Black, I think it's called. I'm gonna try to fix the white liner now with the Jeffree Star Drug Lord Velour Liquid Lipstick in a very small brush. I'm just gonna go extremely slow because I really messed it up last time. Okay, I'm gonna stop right now because I am going to mess it up. I'm gonna find some lashes to put on. I'm gonna think about my lip and I'm going to charge my battery as well. So I'll see you in a second. I'm actually gonna try something really insane to me on my lips. I'm gonna start by using a black pencil eyeliner to line my lips and then blend that down towards the middle. That literally sounds chaotic to me, but I'm gonna try it and see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna use a flat brush and blend that out. This is so weird. I think I messed up, but let's see what happens. I'm gonna use Yash, which is a lipstick from MAC. The black liner, I honestly don't get it, so I'm gonna try to get that away. In conclusion, I probably did it wrong, but I don't like it. On top of that, I'm gonna use clear gloss. I'm gonna pop a little bit of Champagne Pop from Becca in the inside corners. I'm actually also gonna put that underneath my brow. Since I am very glam, it's a lot. The more, the merrier. The more, the better. More is more. So I'm gonna be using the largest lashes that I have at the moment. I have no idea where these are from. I think they're from Unicorn Lashes or something, and they're called like something Champagne Pop. No, not something else. Like Bubblegum Pop or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be using them. I'm gonna spray Urban Decay's All Nighter all over my face just to lock everything in. Delicious. That's it for today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this look. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments down below if there's anything else that you'd like me to try or anything that you'd like me to do. And yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, you guys, Happy New Year. Bye!